Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see, we are doing a clean with me and a tidy with me today. The house had gotten into a little bit of a tip, which it often does being a family of four. I just wanted to get back on top of it. I always start off with the washing just because you can put it on and leave it be whilst you're doing everything else. Make a bowl of soapy water and let the pot soak just so that fairy can do its thing and make life a little bit easier when cleaning them. Honestly, as much as I love mirrored appliances, they are such a pain to keep on top of. So you always have to buff out your cleaning, and sometimes you can see from the watermarks on here that sometimes I just don't do that. But it always looks so much better once it's done.
Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Bruises covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep us.
So I like to use white vinegar mixed with water to clean the microwave. Just pop it in for a few minutes to kind of loosen any food or anything that's got stuck in there. And whilst that is working away, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the kitchen cupboards and the appliances where there are splash marks.
Repeating patterns like the others. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Bruises covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
whilst editing this video, I can actually see that underside of this hood really needs a good clean. So if you guys actually have any tips on how to do that effectively and super quick, please do let me know in the comments below. Okay, so the living room nurse, you can see that it is just a huge tip. I actually dusted it a few days ago, but just with being very busy with a baby and also having a toddler, it's just got into a bit of a tip, so it mainly just needs tidying up and things putting back in their place. And then moving on into my bathroom that I feel has been a little bit neglected, particularly the shower, because I struggled with my hips during pregnancy. It's really difficult to get in and out of the bath. So when Tilswall reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try this brush out, I jumped at the chance. You can see it's got loads of different heads that you can use, and also it breaks down into 3 parts, which means it's really easy to store. You can also rotate the top if you need to get around corners, and it is so good because it means you can get in high places. So there's 2 lengths. You can take out the middle part to make it shorter, but I used the biggest brush and I used the longest length because I wanted to get the job done super duper quickly. And also it meant that I didn't have to kind of keep getting in and out of the bath, which was perfect for my hips. I also feel like this would be great if you had a wet room. I feel like you could just literally go around the whole of it. I then just cleaned the head of the brush and then used it to clean my floor. You can see we don't have loads of floor space, so it worked really well. If you are interested in the brush, I'll leave all the details in the description box below.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in the palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
And that was it for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it's inspired you to get tidying and cleaning if you are struggling for motivation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.